4 класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Животным требуется наша помощь. Страница 145-146. English. Spotlight for. Homework. Animals need our help. Page number 145, 146. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 145. 145. Animals need our help. Exercise number 1. What does WWF mean? Read and answer. Животным требуется наша помощь. Что означает WWF? Прочитайте и ответьте. WWF, World Wildlife Fund, helps to save the wildlife on our planet. In Russia, there are 100 reserves and 33 national parks where different kinds of animals live. Near Ryazan and Moscow, there are bison reserves where WWF supporters have a special project called Adopt a Bison. People donate money to buy food, pay vets, and raise a baby bison. They can give a name to it too. Every adopter gets a certificate of adoption. The 2nd of July is a day of adopters in the bison reserves. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Read the text again. What do the words in bold mean in your language? Прочитайте текст снова. Что выделенные слова означают в твоем языке? The answer. Save, reserves, adopt, donate, raise. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 3. Talk with your friend. Поговорите со своим другом. The answer. Are there any nature reserves and national parks where you live? There is a national park, Elk Island, in Moscow. This is the largest forest park in Europe in the city. What animals live there? How do people help them? National Park Elk Island is a home for many deers, elks, wild boars, mink, squirrels, muskrats, beavers. People help animals to live in the park. they clear forest and landscape territory. How can you and your classmates help animals? I and my classmates can take part in cleaning forest in national park. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Draw pictures of animals that need our help. Present them to your classmates. Have a display at school. Нарисуйте животных, которые нуждаются в помощи. Представьте их классу. The answer. The panda bear is a bear native to South Central China. Pandas in the wild will occasionally eat other grasses, wild tubers, or even meat in the form of birds or rodents. In captivity, they may receive honey, eggs, fish, oranges, or bananas along with specially prepared food. Pandas are very few in the world, and they need help of people to survive. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 146. 146. The Day of the City. Spotlight on Russia. День города. Cities and towns have their birthdays like people do. They are called the Day of the City in Russia. People want their hometown to look especially beautiful on this day. There are a lot of flowers, balloons, flags, and other decorations everywhere. You can buy a special city birthday card too. This is a family celebration. Everybody has a lot of fun. People can watch parades and carnivals or take part in them. They enjoy street performances and concerts. There are a lot of competitions for sports, dancing, and singing. A lot of people join in. The evening is the time for fireworks. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Look at the pictures and say how people celebrate the Day of the City. Посмотрите на картинки и скажите, как люди празднуют День города. The answer. People watch fireworks. People make streets beautiful and decorate streets by flowers, balloons, flags. People take part in street performances. People watch parade. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 2. Do you celebrate this holiday in your hometown? What do people do on this day? А вы празднуете этот день в своем городе? Что люди делают в этот день? Every year we celebrate the Day of the City. People decorate streets by flags and balloons. There are a lot of competitions for sports, dancing and singing. A lot of people join in. The evening is the time for fireworks. My dear friends, exercise number 3. Page number 146. Design a program for the Day of the City. Разработай дизайн программки для Дня города. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing my so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Klaus, goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Klaus, goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile, look at my wings. Beautiful day, so warm in the sun, flying and dancing my so much fun. When evening comes, I'm back to my bed, closed and safe, enjoying sunset. Klaus, goodbye, please don't cry. Give me your smile,